What's up, everybody? Hope we can get a good video today. It's going to be quite the rainstorm, but we're going to go check out this little hole that I like to fish in the rain. Usually don't have any issues here with getting the boot. I have before, but just going to be throwing a Texas rig Bandito bug. So let's see what we can't make happen. This place is pretty fun, man. I've always enjoyed it here. Sometimes you can have a pretty good morning out here. Let's get this show on the road. I'm fired up, man. All right. Man, dude, it's real shallow. Really shallow, man. Oh. Good grief. You can see like every golf ball. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude. There we go. Right on, dude. Right on. Right on, dude. Barely hooked, look. Cool deal. Cool deal. Nice. All right. That's a good sign, everybody. It is a real good sign. See, the bass still stay shallow when it gets colder, man. It doesn't really bother them that much, from what I've noticed. Apparently, this rain doesn't affect them much either. I almost didn't even set the hook on that thing, dude, because it startled me. I thought it was too shallow right there. Oh, shit, that's not a good idea. Oh, oh. There we go. There we go. Number 2, guys. Number 2. God, these fish are cold. It's number 2. That's what I'm talking about. Get the. Dude, this is freaking awesome. Okeechobee craw bandito bug. Hell yeah. See, now, I don't know how many casts I'm gonna be able to get per bandito bug, because man, these fish out here, boy, they'll tear up a bandito bug. It's absolutely insane too. Dude, I thought I had caught like a giant moving stick. Dude, he was right on that brush pile. Here's another one. Dude, that is absolutely crazy. Come on. I mean, dude, they're not big, but you can't beat that. Yeah, this bandito bug is done for. Let's put on another one. Let's put on another one. So that's 3. That one was pretty small, but dude, I don't even care. I'm catching fish. And it's raining. You can't beat it. Absolutely. Man, what a comeback from yesterday. I went fishing with Rob, man, and I caught 1 fish at the very end, and it was about what I'm catching now, but it's like a quantity over quality thing. So let's see if we can keep this going, and let's get it. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's the biggest one so far. Dude, let's go. Nice healthy bass, man. Can't beat that. See you, bud. Thank you. I was gonna bring the pole for the Ned rig today, but I usually don't I don't like setting my thing down. I like staying mobile here. And it's not to run in case somebody kicks me off. It's just, you're more mobile, you know? You can get around easier without having to carry everything. That's why I also use a book bag. Keep it right on your back. Never have to worry about carrying a tackle box. Oh, that son of a gun, dude. That son of a gun. Look, he took my damn shit. Alright. Grab another one. I'm gonna be out of damn bandito bugs before I know it. Good thing that's one thing I have a lot of is bandito bugs. So we don't really have to worry there. Oh my God, dude, did you guys see that? Whoa, oh my God, that was crazy, dude. I saw my bait on the top of the water and he came and said, give me that. That's not a bad one. Dude, that was cool. Damn, dude. Dude, these damn fish, man. Destroying damn bandito bugs, bro. Yes, it's picking up, man. You guys ever want to know the best time to fish a golf course? It's when it's raining, because there's no golfers. You're less likely to get kicked out, and the fishing is always good. it's nasty out. Right here. Oh. That thing went in the water for damn 2 seconds, dude. Oh. Coming down, dude. There we go. Oh. We must not have wanted that anymore. Alright. We're really getting rained on. It is absolutely pouring, but boy, let me tell you what, this YouTube video about to be popping. There we go. There we go. Oh, damn. Damn, he swam real wide. Come on, dude. There you go. Thanks, bud. Dude, this wind is just cranking right now, dude. Holy. I'll tell you what, we've needed this rain. Every pond that I've fished desperately needs this rain, like really bad, man, for real. Oh yeah, that is gonna be a good spot because it's moving water. What an eventful morning it's been out here. It's been a lot of rain, a couple golf carts, lots of fish, which we like. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We're still gonna keep fishing, but if you guys been liking the content I've been dropping, hit that subscribe button for your boy and hit that thumbs up, and let's get this video keep going. There we go. You ain't playing with it no more. Oh. Dude, that's like a 10-pounder. Oh. Easy, buddy. I'm glad I found out it was gonna rain last night, because oh, you freaking robbed me, dude. Usually I'm always working. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That absolutely sucked. There we go. Nice. It's been a crazy morning of fishing, man. I don't even know if it's too shallow right here or what. Tell you what, these golfers need to get better at hitting the balls. There's more damn golf balls in the water than there are fucking fish. Oh, there we go. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. All morning, dude. That was a good little fish. Nice, dude, I don't know. That fish wasn't really big. It had some pull to it, but that's it. What's going on, guys? So we're just getting this video finished for you guys. I didn't do an intro. I did do an intro, but I lost it in some footage files, unfortunately, but we're finally getting it done. It's gonna be a good video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like the content, I'd love if you hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see in the future. We were using the Googan baits in this video, so if you guys aren't familiar with Googan baits, they're a great company. They're out of Texas, I believe. John Brawlins, Perrick, Matthew, Lake Fork guy, I mean, Robert, I mean, there's a bunch of them, so they're great guys. I've always liked their videos, I've always liked their baits. I think the cat likes them too. Okay, go. Anyways, like I was saying, if you guys like the video, I'd really appreciate it if you shed some love on me. And yeah, let me know what you'd like to see. I'd really appreciate some feedback on this video. I spent some good time on this, so without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll be back to you guys with another one very soon. So I appreciate it.